In this video, I'm reviewing Vont lighting to show you how you can transform your car from this to this. You're going to learn all the features, including how to install. So without further ado, let's jump right in. Okay, so we're gonna go into the Vont Home App, and you'll see right here that it's gonna connect to the car light strip. Just select it, it does its little thing. It says the device is off. Alright, there we go. So we're connected to the Vont Home app, and it is connected and recognizing the light strip that we have here. So I start off on white. It may look blue on camera, but this is actually a cool white. It's a very beautiful white, actually very bright. It's actually blowing out my shoes here. But let's go through some of the basic colors on this. Right off the bat, it has the brightness, which you can dim. So this is the lowest, and this is like a 50% here, and this is 100%. We also have red. We have red, orange, yellow, green, maybe like an aqua blue, teal of some sort, or maybe I don't know, another type of aqua blue. I kind of like this blue better. We have a purple, we have a hot pink, and we have the white again. Down here on the bottom, you see I'm toggling this little slider. Now it only does the color once you let it go. So you can actually customize your own color depending on what you want. It says there's a color wheel. So using this color wheel, you can use the picker to pick a custom color that you want, which is pretty awesome. Okay, so let's get out of that. And you can choose a color and you can add it to save to my colors. So if I choose this color, I can save to my colors. And it's telling me there's no internet, so maybe this is a feature that can be used when you're online at home or whatnot. It also has a music feature. You can adjust the sensitivity on this, where it's super sensitive and moving around like that real crazy. And you can choose the color that you want with your sensitivity on this. This will actually move with the music and whatnot. Kind of does a little strobe. Let's see. Definitely sensitivity there. There we go. That's calm. So it looks like dynamic is more like a strobe look, and then calm over here is more like a subtle, more of a subtle lighting. What does mode do? Oh, mode is okay. So right here we have the mode. Mode is for music, which is what the tab that we're on right now. We also have the color tab, which is the first one we started off on. They also offer scenes. So here we have some scenes. We have sunrise. Let's go. Let's see what sunset is. Okay, so it's just changes to that color. Let's do aurora. We have dusk. We also have glow, star, lightning, Interesting. We've got spring. Okay, it kind of brings a little spring tones to it. Let's see what summer is. Let's pump it up to summertime. Wait, spring, summer. So summer's just kind of like a. Is it white? I think it's just like a white color. Let's do fall. Fall's like an off-white color. We've got winter. It's a cool white, maybe a light blue or a cool blue. We've got forest. Oh, that's cool. I like the green actually. I like the way it dims like that on green. We've got river. Alright. Oh, dang. I did not even notice this. But on scenes, this is only the nature section. So we've also got festival. We've got a festival tab here where it's party. We've got a candlelight. There's Christmas. Hey, that's super cool. I actually like that. That's cool. Halloween. It's all strobe light effect. It's got the orange. It's got the yellows. Let's see what ghost is. You know, I love paranormal stuff, so I'm curious to see what ghost is. Let's click on that. Oh, ghost is like blood red. Wait, why is it white now? Oh, I guess blood red and white. I don't know. You know, my son always wants me to turn the hallway light on to red, and I'm like, dude, that looks really creepy whenever you wake up in the morning and the hallway's like blood red, especially if you just wake up from a nightmare. It's so crazy. Alright, let's do Valentine's Day. We got a soft pink. Mother's Day. It's like a purple, maybe like a more. Oh, that's weird because it looks blue on the camera, but in person it kind of looks like a cool white or a purple with a hint of purple. Father's Day is gonna be blue. We got Thanksgiving with that yellow color. You know, I'm looking at this yellow orange on the camera. It doesn't seem to pick up on the camera very well. That's weird. I don't know if it's a white balance issue, or I don't know if it's just because colors on, like colors from LEDs, the frequencies are weird, the light frequencies, so maybe it doesn't pick up well on camera. Let's do dance party. Then we got disco duck. Life. So we got reading, romantic, sweet, dating. I wonder how you get a dating scene. This is a dating scene. It's probably like a kind of like a what is it? Like a Valentine's color or something. We got twinkle over here. Sports. We've got game, movie, study, business, work, and fight. This is what you put on to fight. But let's see what's over here. Wait, we're not even done. Look at that. They even have emotion over here. We got vivid, relax, breathe, happy, enthusiastic. I'm really curious to leave these on for a lot longer. I wonder if they just flash these same colors over and over again, or if they actually do stuff different depending on like the music or the vibe or whatever. Active, I guess active lifestyle. We got a warm scene, a quiet scene, a profound scene, a longing scene, and a dreamland scene. So yeah, that is a lot of scenes. Each one is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. So 12, 24, I don't know what that is, 36, 32, and there's a lot. There's way too many for me to handle. There's at least like 48 different scenes or more. Alright, so what do we have over here? We got the brightness again. This is do-it-yourself. It says you haven't created any do-it-yourself effect yet. So let's just see what that is. So I can select what I want my speed to be. I can name this effect. I'm gonna name it, I don't know, car test effect. smart color picking. I'm gonna choose, wait, that's not the one I wanted. I wanted red. And what if I want to add another one? Maybe I'll do green. Okay, save my colors, and again it tells me there's no internet, but if I save it, no internet again. Alright, what if I click apply? Applied successfully. It says edits have not been saved. Do you still wish to exit? Cancel. Oh, I get it. It applied, and then I want to go back now, but it's letting me know that I didn't save it, and I didn't save it because it said I didn't have internet connection. So I'm not sure what that's about. But yeah, let's see what's over here. Shared. So you have the home app here. Okay, so basically, yeah, everything you need is right here in the device section, and it's basically going to be between the music. I'm very curious. I'm going to put on the radio. Let me see if I can put some music on. I don't want to get my video. I don't want to get my video all bad from copyright. Let's just see here. Do I have anything without Wi-Fi? I have my phone on airplane mode right now. I have my phone on airplane mode, so that way no one will call me at this moment. Album, songs. Alright, there's one. I don't know what song this is, but let's do it. No. Let's see what happens with this. Oh, I can't do it because I don't have my Bluetooth on. Wait, the Bluetooth is on. Why isn't it playing? Oh, I don't think it's playing because I have my microphone on. Anyway, though. So that is a look at the Vont Home app. You got music, you've got your color picker, you've got scenes to add, and tons of scenes at that. Then you got your do-it-yourself effect, which actually I just did my do-it-yourself effect, and I don't see it here. It tells me I haven't, but it's only telling me I haven't because I don't have internet connection. I actually need to go home and test this out with Wi-Fi to see if that will help it. I hope this video has helped you out, and if you decide that this is something you want to go through with purchasing, I'll make sure to leave the link down in the description below. Go ahead and click on it, and you can have the exact same kit that I have here. So here's my final take on my new Vont lighting kit. If you're looking for a lighting kit that is hassle-free and won't void your car's warranty, then this is probably going to be the kit for you. There's not going to be any need for running any wires, splicing. It comes with all the zip ties you're going to need. It has 3M strips already on the LEDs, so that way they'll stick on there and you can pretty much be sure that they're going to stay stuck where you want them to be at. It comes with all the app features. It comes with its own remote. It comes with the instructions on how to install the kit. And of course, in the event that you just decide you don't want to have this installed anymore, or you want to sell your car, or you don't want to void your car's warranty, you can always just uninstall it and it'll be as if it never existed. So if you're looking for a more sleek look and you don't really want any of those wires showing, especially in the back seat, maybe you don't like the bright red light that's on the auto adapter where you plug it into the cigarette lighter. I have mine installed in the back seat. Some people might want to install theirs plugged into the front of the car. It'll be a lot more visible there. I can totally see how that would be a big no-sell point for you, in which case this kit might not be for you. Now, I was able to tuck mine underneath the carpets and whatnot, underneath the mats in the back seat, and I actually enjoy the fact that the remote is actually attached to it, because my son, who sits in the back seat, can actually just play along with the remote. He can like change the colors and have fun back there too. So I like it. It benefits me. I know that's not always going to benefit everyone else, but if you're looking for something that has more like a wireless remote, then you might want to look elsewhere at another kit. Now, you do need to remember though that this does come with Bluetooth functionality, so it comes with its own app and everything, and you can control it from your phone at any time you want. And if in the event you did want to like hardwire it, there are many ways where you can just cut the auto adapter off, splice it, get the red and the black wire, and attach it into your cigarette lighter, or wire it and run it to the fuse box. There are plenty of videos to show you how to do that if you decide to go that route too, in which case it would eliminate everything except for the attached remote that's included here in the kit. And if you decide to go that route, you can always just tuck the wires into the paneling, the plastic paneling of your car, and it won't show anymore. So those are just some things to consider. You know, I'm trying to give you both sides, the pros, the cons of it, and so far to me it does seem like a pretty damn solid kit. I've gotten a lot of compliments on it already. I actually got used to driving with it. I just dimmed the lights down a little bit, and I actually love it. The kids love it too, and it seems to actually spruce up my car. It's the kit I didn't even know I needed, pretty much. For the most part, I mean, it was pretty cool. I have these starlights back here, and they were great. Like, they already provide me enough light as it is, but these actually like make the car a little more fun, to me personally, of course. I will be posting a 3 or a 6 month update on this. I just want to see how it's holding up, and I'll make sure I let y'all know too if anything goes wrong. Now, if you enjoyed this video, you should watch this other video, because I show you step by step how to install a Starlight headliner, just like the one you see right here behind me. I'm leaving all my contact information below, as well as my affiliate links for all the products and the tools that I used in this video. Make sure to leave a like. It's free. It helps me out. It helps me out a lot. I respond to all your comments and emails. Make sure to subscribe for more content like this.